Sige na, ma'am. And guys, another day, another unboxing. Brand new Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Naka 16512 and white yung napili nila, ma'am, na kulay. It's not like my choices talaga kasi white ang available natin sa 16512. So, kung hindi pala nakakalam is, ubusan talaga tayo ng stock ng Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. So, ang aga nila, ma'am, kaya nauna sila. Ayan, sila yung nakakuha ng tatlong stock na meron tayo this morning. So, kakarating lang din yung stock natin kahapon. And kagabi pa lang, ma'am. Ayan, and the phone is on. Kaya mo yan, ma'am. Ayun, ma'am. Meron siyang hilaan dito. Hilain mo yan. Ayan. Sheesh, ang ganda talaga ng Xiaomi 17 Pro Max. Panalo talaga siya. Ma'am, wasakin mo na yan. Excited. Shadan! Thank you so much po kay ma'am. Thank you so much for having an unboxing with us. Ma'am, i-flex ko lang, ma'am. Pwede. Bago ko pala tapusin yung video. Flex muna natin. Ito yung Xiaomi 17 Pro Max ni Xiaomi. Ma'am, thank you so much.